Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can stay notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course, if you are not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with my trading analysis. As for $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from your small trading account into a very big one. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Okay, this had been on downtrend. You can see the red flag and the red arrows. Okay, but got to the support zone and played around there for a while because it was unable to break out below it. So it started an uptrend right from there, so it has been buying since then. We just needed to break out above this resistance zone so that it can keep on buying. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Right from the support zone, it started an uptrend and it has been going up, got to the resistance zone, had the pullback and went back there again. Okay, so this had been buying since, and of course if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so buying at the moment, this might not be for a very long time because it's most likely for it not to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, with what I am saying, then the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000 and it had been on uptrend for a while, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course it had a two point on this particular trend line and of course horizontal line, and of course it went back up to break out above this resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment and it's going to be buying for a while, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will sell. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Started a downtrend from the resistance zone, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it went back into a buy trend and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend for a while, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it started a buy trend from there. You can see the yellow flag and the blue arrow, and of course this shows that this is on buy trend at the moment. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever we are trading. For those of you who are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Feel free to browse through the channel and do not forget to like my video, drop your questions within the comment section, and of course watch out for my next video